Greetings from the French Chamber of Commerce and Industry in the Philippines. I am Maylis Charlat, the Managing Director of the French Chamber, and I'd like to invite you to come and join us to our coming event entitled Behind the Cuisines. It will be happening on October 22 and 23rd from 2 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. This two-day event aims to shed light on the changing faces of the food and beverage industry by defining the new form normal and hearing the key updates from government officials and industry experts. At the same time, it aims to provide a platform to help and support French and Filipino entrepreneurs through a live cooking demonstration courtesy of Erwan Asaf, himself French-Filipino. Erwan will be utilizing products from both countries, in which all these products will be showcased in a food basket that can be purchased before the event. I invite you to join us by registering on the link below. Make a donation upon your registration, as the profits of this event are shared to the local farmers of our partner beneficiary, Agrea. Agrea is an organization that builds farm schools and enables local farmers and communities in strengthening their skills and knowledge. Register now. Can't wait to see you all there. Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup and salamat po.